Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use project filters. So it's just allowing you to filter out your projects. So you might want to filter out on certain labels that you're using or to suit your needs, or perhaps you just need to search a particular project. So you can see on my screen here, we've got our projects here. It's just currently showing my active list. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways that we can coordinate this. Now you'll notice on the right hand side, you'll see that status includes active, and that's what's showing. Now I can go ahead and add another filter. So let's just say I had 100 projects or more and I needed to filter them out to a certain label. You could do that, or maybe you need to sort it out by a due date or who is assigned to a certain project. Okay, so see this filter button up here. If you click add filter, this is where you can start adding different types of filters that I just mentioned. So if I just head down here, I'm going to click the labels. Perhaps I just want to look at the projects that have been labeled as audit. So if I click this one and I click add filter, it's going to only include the ones that include an audit. So currently I don't have any under that filter. So if I just exit that out, so let's have a look at a different filter. So if we go in here and we click assignee, so perhaps we want to look at who is assigned to certain projects. Let's just click myself as an example. So it's going to only show the projects that are currently active and that are currently assigned to myself, Jasmine. Okay, so we can currently see there's 3 total projects here that have been assigned to Jasmine. Now I'm going to show some other areas as well, so let's just switch this filter off. Now you'll notice that you can actually come up to the top here and you can search for projects. So if you know the project title name, just come up to the top here and start typing that name. So I'm just going to type in the Club Health one, and you'll notice it's going to only show the projects that have Club Health in it. Okay, now let's exit that one out. And then you'll notice there's a sort button now, so you can sort it out to a certain style. So let's just say you want to sort it out to a type of due date. So maybe you've got a couple of Club Health checks coming up. You've got 70 as an example, and they're all due on the 31st of August. So maybe you want to sort it out by that due date. To have a look, and then maybe you'll go ahead and filter it out by Jasmine or whoever's looking after a certain area. Okay, so you can come in here, oldest to newest and so on. Now you'll also notice these buttons as well. So if you want to have a look at all your projects, you can click on that button and it's going to give you all. So that's including your done, in progress, which is also called active, and then also your archive projects as well. So those projects you've just archived away. And you'll see we've got a draft status as well. So those projects that aren't active yet, that are sitting in a draft status, will sit in this area. And then we've also got the done status. So those projects that have been completed or marked as done. And that's all we have for project filters.